Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful, cloudless, early morning in South Georgia. So we are back from the C10 Nationals, and I tell you what a blast. Probably the best event I've ever been to. The organizers really had it together. Everything was quick. There was no lines. There wasn't overheating cars everywhere like Power Tour. There wasn't a loud announcer and live music screaming in your face all day while you're trying to enjoy the show. So we had a blast. And all of you who came up and said hi, say they watched the channel. It was really nice to meet all of you. We had a blast. Maybe someday we'll have some merch for you guys. Back at it. Heading off to the C10 Nationals. I know what you're gonna say. Why are we not driving the Blazer? Because I really wanted to drive the Blazer. However, we have to stop at AMD and get a tailgate, windshield. We're hoping to find a good set of doors. So we're gonna have a lot of baggage to haul back with us. So it just made sense to haul the Blazer. We're gonna cruise around Nashville. We'll see you there. Buc-ee's. Gotta stop at Buc-ee's. This place is ridiculous. Get run over. Good.
Banana pudding. Got a variety. Watermelon, veggies, brisket.
I got that. I don't know what it is, but it looks good. This is crazy. How many hours we got left?
Like 3 billion.
3 million?
I like your sandals.
I'm gonna go and buy that. Because I washed and detailed both vehicles.
Yeah.
That's the only reason. Alright, good morning. Day number 1 of the C10 Nationals. We're here at the luxurious hotel accommodations we got. Directly near the freeway. The family has not made it out yet, but a little bit of rain overnight. No big deal. The Blazer was still here. Everything looks good to go. We're gonna head on over to the speedway and unload this morning. Hey, every time I touch
it.
How about wash it?
It's so pretty.
I'll get it. It's fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you do that. So if it scrapes, it's your fault.
Oh, it's gonna scrape.
Look at your big foot. Ah. All right, be careful. It's gonna move. We're so bouncy. It's like a roller coaster ride.
Oh, it's each individual thing.
Hey, what you doing in there?
You got enough room back there?
Yeah.
You should. Look at this blue one beside us.
What year is it?
82. Thank you.
Thank you.
Go on. Really? What are you, 7?
Yes.
You putting my name on there?
Hell no.
Hey, this is a family channel.
Oh, sorry. I mean, heck no.
What number are you? 957? greatest place to take photos, next to the sewer cleanout area. Oh, you're still taking photos? My bad. I think I walked through 4 spider webs.
Nice, thanks for getting them for me.
Do you need another tailgate?
I do. I have a problem. I get it.
Why am I responsible for the money?
Nobody suspects you to have any cash. Look at you. Why do I gotta carry it if you bought it? That doesn't seem right.
Seems perfectly right.
Only one person gets to ride, huh?
You get to go. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
right, family. How was the C10 Nationals?
That place, it's fantastic. It's really, that was probably one of the best shows I've been to.
Yeah, they had their stuff together there. You can tell they've done it a few times. We got to go around the speedway. We got to see 800 horses on the dyno. What else?
Their trophies were really cool. I mean, I didn't get one with the Blazer.
Why?
It's still pretty awesome in my eyes. And it did great on the speedway.
I can't believe this thing slammed 5.8 at 85 mile an hour through a corner at a super speedway and didn't rub a tire nowhere.
No.
That's crazy.
And I apologize for the video now when I'm screaming in it.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
It was a good scream, happy scream.
All right, well, that wraps up the C10 Nationals in Nashville for us. In the morning, we're gonna head out bright and early and head back to Georgia. So,
All right, bye guys.
Bye.